Are you kidding me? This just arrived from Redivus, and I think this might have to be the coolest radios they've ever sent. Let's unbox this and check it out. And this is the brand new H1, and I am really, really, really excited to see inside this. All right, let's unbox it, shall we? All right. There is the manual. It's in German, and it's in English. Wow. Very, very detailed instruction manual. Okay. Let's take this out. What have we got under here? Okay, so there's the belt clip. There's the belt clip. There is the cradle with the USB-C port on the front. There's the little wrist strap for the radio. What have we got here? There's your USB-A to USB-C charging cable. There is the antenna that comes with it, with the little SMA male connector on the end. So there we go. And a couple of little screws there for the belt buckle clip. And drum roll, I present to you the Redivus H1. This is a beauty. And in the bottom of the box is the computer cable, which is your regular standard USB A to your 2 pins, which goes into the radio from your computer. So there we go. And Redivus very kindly also sent me, this is a separate thing. They sent me the HK008 microphone. So that's very, very cool. So quickly just looking at the radio, it's got the little protective cover on the screen. It's got 2 buttons on the top here. That's for your channel and that's for your volume. And here's your little emergency button here. And I'm actually going to reassign that so it's FM radio. So I can just hold that down and boom, it plays FM radio, commercial FM radio. This is very, very neat. Cool little push to talk button on the side, and the keypad looks really good. It's thicker than I thought it would be. And on this side, you've got your speaker, and then there's your microphone. The external microphone just plugs straight into there. And let's quickly just take the battery out, if we can. There we are. And the battery boasts 7.4 volt DC, and it is 2900 milliamps. Fantastic. Nice chunky battery. And there we go. It snaps in pretty nicely. There we go. Boom. All right. Let's get this thing charged up with the USB-A to USB-C charger. And we will be back very shortly. This is fantastic. Woohoo! Redivus for the win.